Hello, capybara. This is based off new tunes in Daddy's World. First, I'm gonna make one based off a panda. This is like a new plushie I like. And I'm gonna make one based off a capybara. I'm gonna call this one, if they added this in Dandy's World, Pandy the Panda. Is this a polar bear or a panda? I know, Polly the polar bear. And this one, I'll call it Cappy the Capybara. Simple names. And then I already think of a skin for Polly the polar bear. It's like a friend of dinosaurs, Shelly. This one. Yes, it's like this. Bye bye.